Well, there you have them on the Barbie. 2 shrimp and the Barbie. So I'm going to use this napkin, wad it up, to come over and take some of this garlic and butter. It's basically, and olive oil. We got the olive oil. Let some olive oil shop along the way and just kind of do this number. You see, yeah, baby. Oh, and even do it to the steak. Why not? What can butter do? Nothing. It soothes the soul. There you go. And I'll do that again in a second or two. Leave that right there like a wick. All right. Here we go. It's just so beautiful here. Look at that. Dive off that from all the way up there. See ya. And there you have it. Shadow of the Tetons, buttered pan-fried ribeye steak, sour cream and chives mashed potatoes with gravy, and a freshly tossed garden green salad. At the Grand Tetons, no better view probably this side of Yosemite. Lost RVers, subscribe to the channel. Here's the Bonneville brunch, Mother's Day breakfast. There it is, the Bonneville, we changed the name. You ready? Bonneville bacon blue salted chicken. That glob on the chicken is blue cheese being melted into it. Asparagus. And some noodles, whatever they are. The Bonneville bacon blue salted chicken, created at the Bonneville Salt Flats Speedway, May 10th, 2020, which is Mother's Day. It's still Mother's Day. Hug your mom. There we go. That's the recipe. The Bonneville bacon blued salted chicken. I like the name. Try it. You'll love it. Bye. Nothing says loving like a quarter pounder. First one in months. Months. Uh-oh, it's frozen. There it is. 4 cheese with a little sauce over the top, dill pickles on the bottom, nice little garden salad, the yellow hop 4 cheese ranch double-decker hamburger. Brought to you by Cal Root Pig and wife, known as the Lost RVers. And there she be. Thank you. Bye. So what are we calling this? The Collins
Lake chicken skewers.
It's a kebab.
Ah, kebabs.
This is the Collins Lake kebab, chicken kebab, zucchini, mushroom. Come on.
Garlic rice.
Oh, and rice. Look at
Pilaf.
this. What is it?
Pilaf.
Pilaf. So some pilaf rice and some Collins Lake chicken kebab, zucchini, mushroom, medley. Oh, we gotta come up with a better name than that. Throw something on there that's special. Oh, our secret sauce. So it'd be a Collins Lake chicken kebab, secret sauced, with a side of zucchini and mushrooms. There it is. Cal Root Pig and wife, known as Lost RVers, having dinner. So we flip it one time just to get it nice and crispy on both sides. And we'll be back. Plating is next. Okay, there you go, folks. The Collins Lake tomato burrito taco. So that was the first night cooking show. New York strips, macaroni and cheese, and a medley of broccoli, snow peas, and carrots, topped with sauteed onions, garlic, and of course, mushrooms. There you go, folks. The Lost RVers. How you like that show? See you in a bit. This is our third trip that we forgot a can opener. We spent 10 days on the road going to the Grand Canyon, Las Vegas, Hoover Dam, Lake Mead, and all about. And that's what I opened cans with, and we forgot to buy another one. Thank God for the Swiss Army knife. So where did you spend your 36th anniversary for dinner, huh?
All right, thank you guys.
This is where we're spending ours. Yep. Sure enough.
Okay, you want 2 steak and 1 pork, right?
See you guys. Bye.